you can always add maps to your visualization. Since I've selected the US states, Tableau will create a map so that our stakeholders can able to understand which city or which state is performing well. These dots that you see is kind of a bubble chart wherein the bigger the size, more the profit. Smaller the size is less profit. And you can also change the uh, you know the way that map should look. If you click on satellite map, which most of the time we use, it will show same as our Google Maps. And you can also import custom geocoding in case if the geocoding is not available in Tableau, you can import them, which I will show in the coming sessions. Then layers of the map, like you can also add streets, then states and routes, all of them, just as same as your Google Maps, so that our customer would be able to understand. Let's say if there are 10 or 15 stores for a business, and if he wants to locate based on each store also, he can able to see through this option, just as Google Maps.